Hi! Today I'll show you this 15-liter capacity Black+Decker vacuum cleaner, which can be used for messier jobs. This corded vacuum cleaner can not only suck in debris, but also includes a blower function. I mainly bought it for my audio projects, where a lot of dust and wood shavings are produced. In the box, this Black+Decker vacuum cleaner comes with several accessories, adapters, and a paper dust bag. However, there's also an option to replace the single-use paper bag with a washable fabric bag. This vacuum cleaner can be very used for chips or other dirt. The main drawbacks of this vacuum cleaner are that the power cable is fixed, which isn't very convenient, and the suction tube isn't telescopic. It has to be connected from several sections if you need a longer reach. But overall, for its price, this is an excellent tool for any workshop, especially since it also supports liquid vacuuming. Just make sure to check the manual to learn how to do it correctly.